Hi all, welcome to the Cloud Ambition channel. My name is Amar Ganeshkar. So today we are learning how to create our infrastructure uh, with our my VPC. So earlier that video was we created our resource with default VPC, which is provided by AWS. But today we create our my VPC and we provide our CIDR range, whichever we need. That means we set up our own infra. Okay, so these are simple exercise we are doing today. So we are creating our VPC and then we are creating two subnets with different availability zone A and B, and then we are giving a CIDR range, different CIDR range, and then we are creating two EC2 instance with different subnet, and then we are creating one route table, adding our route entry to route that traffic to the internet, and we need one internet gateway so that we can access internet from our EC2 machine. So this is simple exercise we are doing. Okay, so let's go one by one. And this is VPC CIDR range, and these are two subnet CIDR range. Okay, and so now let me open console. Okay, so this is our AWS console, and then we are creating VPC first. Okay, so I'm giving VPC my VPC. Okay, then CIDR range would be 10.0.0.0/16. Okay, so its a CIDR block must be between /16 to /18. Okay, max /18 16 and minimum /28. Okay, and let's create a VPC. Okay, so once we have created VPC, let's create a subnet. Okay, subnet. I'm selecting our my VPC and subnet 1. AG I'm selecting first 1A, and the CIDR block is VP CIDR block is this, and we are giving our as per our slide is 10.0.0.0/24. So that I'm giving 10.0.0.0/24. Okay, so this is our first subnet, and then create subnet 2. Select subnet VPC, then give name subnet 2. Second, I'm here selecting second AG, that is 1P, and then here 10.0.0.1/24. There are 256 IPs we can utilize. Sorry, here not here is 0 and here is 1. Okay. Okay, so now we have created VPC two subnets. Let's create a EC2 1 and EC2 2. So here I am creating EC2 1 is under the first subnet. Okay, go to the EC2, launch EC2 instance. Okay, EC2 1, selecting our free tier AMI. I'm selecting existing key pair. So you can, if you don't have existing key pair, then you can select new key pair. Okay, and here I'm going to select the our my VPC. This is our my VPC, and this is our subnet 1. Okay, and then that's it. Here if you want to access internet, then here um, inbound rule. So launch here. Let's create one VPC, so security group, so that we can access internet. So and default, let's open SSH so that I can access over the our putty or mobile stream. Here my security group, hmm, and I'm allowing to the anywhere, that is fine. Okay, and here let's select, just a minute, I'm adding here, sorry, I'm adding new role. Okay, here uh, STP anywhere, and one more role, HTTPS. Okay, HTTPS, where is HTTPS? That is 443 port number. Here you can give 443. Hmm. We recommend setting security rules allow from known IP address. Rules with your allow all IP address. So access of your instance recommended setting allow access your known IP. So this is best practice. So instead of all IP, so let's select our own IP, my IP. Okay, here is also from my IP. Hmm. That is our best practice. Hmm. Okay, let's launch the instance. So do this same exercise for ec2 2 and select the second subnet. Okay, this subnet is creating now. So it's in creating state. Let's launch our ec2 2, ec2 2, second ec2. Okay, and I'm selecting same AMI, free tier, select existing key pair, under edit network settings. So I'm giving our my VPC, and here subnet 2, because okay, this is this EC2 instance creates under second AG. Okay, select existing security group. So we already created our security group, right? My security group, because we are allowing same rule. If you are allowing different rule, then you can select, create a new security group and attach it. Okay, so that's all. Okay, so now, so we have created two EC2 instance under different subnets. Okay, different AG. Now let's create, next step is create a route table, and so before creating route table, let's create our internet gateway. Okay, so internet gateway is under the VPC section. So here is option is internet gateway. Where is internet gateway? Okay, so create an internet gateway. So my internet gateway. So create it. Hmm. Then so let's attach it to our VPC. So once we have created internet gateway, then attach it to our VPC. Okay, create internet gateway and attach to VPC. Hmm? Sorry. Here select our my VPC. These are command lines. Attach it. So once we have attached to our VPC, then add the route table entry. Hmm. So this entry is already created route table entry. Let's check. Okay, these are routes. So local route is added. So let's add our one more route so that we can access over the internet. So add subnet, CIDR range will be same, and this is internet gateway. So destination will be 00. Okay. Valid IP address 0.0 internet gateway. Select internet gateway. Okay, that's it. So as per this diagram, okay, as per this diagram, so what we did, so we created VPC two subnets. Under the two subnets, we have created ec2 instance, and then we have created internet gateway and added the route entry so that we can access over internet. Okay. So now we have created two ec2 instance. So let's connect to the first ec2 instance. So we have enabled public IPv4 address so that we can connect from our laptop. Okay, from our local machine. So I just copied that lab, and here edit, just paste that IPv4 address, and here I have given my PEM file. So let's connect. Okay, now I'm able to log in first EC2 instance. Okay, so let's see, I'm able to access the internet, curl google.com. See, now I'm able to access the internet. So let's connect to the second EC2 instance. Okay, so I have stored here my PEM file. Okay, and I'm given um, 400 permission to that PEM file so that I can access the um, second EC2 instance. So IP of second EC2 instance is this is private IP for address so that I can access it from first EC2 machine. SSH -I, then name of PEM file. This is our command. Then username ec2-user @ then IP address 10.0.1.90 10.0.1.90. Okay. 10.0. Sorry, 10 is not a 10, 1. See, now I'm able to access.